Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace battery in Ford Fusion key fob step by step. Start by gathering a small flat tool and a fresh CR2032 battery. Work over a clean surface and keep small parts secure. Pry the fob halves gently at the seam, remove the old battery while noting its orientation, insert the new CR2032 with the plus side up, and snap the case closed. Test all buttons to confirm operation. Begin by setting up a tidy workspace and laying out your tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a cloth, and a new CR2032 battery. Remove the emergency key first if your fob has one, then use the tool to gently pry the two halves apart at the seam. Keep track of any plastic inserts and the orientation of the battery. Replace the battery, ensuring the plus sign faces up, then rejoin the halves until they click. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep sharing practical tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker looks great on a workbench and makes tuning into a how-to playlist effortless while you tinker. I've included a link and a few deals in the description below for anyone interested. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. After the new CR2032 is seated, inspect the battery contacts for cleanliness and alignment before closing the fob. Push the halves together firmly until you hear a click and make sure any plastic inserts are aligned. Test the key fob by locking and unlocking the car and checking the panic button and trunk release if available. If a function fails, reopen the fob to verify battery orientation and contact placement, then reassemble and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.